Do you want to know why most people fail? It's not because they're not capable. It's not because they're unlucky. It's because they don't respect their time. They let distractions control their lives. They spend hours on their phones, watching Netflix, or gossiping about others. They focus on things that don't matter instead of working on things that do. And let me tell you this, if you don't respect your time, nobody else will. Time is like money. If you spend it recklessly, you'll end up broke. But if you invest it wisely, you'll create a fortune. The myth of motivation. A lot of people say, I'll start when I feel motivated. But motivation is a lie. It's unreliable. Some days you'll feel motivated. Other days you won't. If you wait for motivation to start, you'll never get anything done. Successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. They show up every day, no matter how they feel, and they do the work. Think about it. Do you think athletes train only when they feel like it? Do you think entrepreneurs work on their businesses only when they're in the mood? They understand that time doesn't wait for anyone. If they don't use it wisely, someone else will take their spot. So, how do you stop wasting time? It starts with awareness. You need to take a hard look at how you're spending your days. Track your time. Write down every activity you do in a day and how long you spend on it. You'll be shocked at how much time you're wasting. Next, set clear goals. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, it becomes easier to focus on what matters. Break your goals into smaller tasks and create a schedule. And most importantly, stick to that schedule. Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone. Log out of social media. Create an environment where you can focus. You have to protect your time like your life depends on it, because it does. The price of success. Here's the thing. Success isn't free. It comes with a price. That price is your time, your effort, and your focus. If you're not willing to pay that price, you don't deserve success. It's that simple. Think about the people you admire. Think about the athletes, the entrepreneurs, the artists, and the innovators. Do you think they got to where they are by wasting time? Number they sacrificed. While others were partying, they were working. While others were sleeping, they were grinding. They understood that time is the most valuable currency, and they spent it wisely. The regret of wasted time. One day you'll look back on your life and you'll either feel proud or regretful. You'll either say, I'm glad I used my time wisely, or I wish I had done more. The choice is yours. Imagine being 80 years old, sitting in a chair and realizing you wasted your life. You had dreams, but you never acted on them. You had potential, but you never fulfilled it. That's the regret of wasted time. The power of action. But here's the good news. It's never too late to start. No matter how much time you've wasted, you can always choose to change. The power is in your hands. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop making excuses. Start now. Take one small step today, then take another step tomorrow. Keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps are. Over time, those small steps will turn into giant leaps, and before you know it, you'll be closer to your dreams than you ever thought possible. So, what's it going to be? Are you going to keep wasting your time, or are you going to take control of your life? The choice is yours. But remember this, the clock is ticking. Every second you waste is a second you'll never get back. Time is the great equalizer. It doesn't care who you are, where you're from, or what you want. It only cares about how you use it. And if you don't respect it, you'll lose it. But if you've learned how to manage your time, that's the first step to success. Now it's time to take the next step, achieving your goals. And to help you with that, watch my video on the law of attraction. It will show you how to align your thoughts, actions, and energy to create the life you've always dreamed of. Don't wait. Start now.